Hello, my dear students. Today, here I am with a new playtime activity for you. Are you ready? So, let's start. So, have a look. You must be thinking why I have kept these objects on a paper. As today's playtime activity is all about the objects of circle shape. What we will do with these objects? All these objects are of different sizes of circle. So with the help of these, we will draw different size of circles on this paper, and after drawing the circles, we will draw different emotions in it. Like in one we will draw a smiley, in the other we will draw a sad face, and with the same we will complete all these circles. After making all these emojis, we have to color these circles. As you can see, all these objects are easily available at your home, like bangle, bowl and mug, cap of any jar or cup. So I hope these objects are easily available to you. So I have taken this bangle, place it here, then make a circle with the help of a black marker or a pencil. Like this. Like this, you have to make all the circles with the help of these objects. Now I have taken this bowl, place it here. Tell your child that this is of different color. As you can see, this is small and this one is big. Now make a big circle. I hope you can see it clearly. You can see here I have made a bigger circle. Now I will take this mug to make a circle. This fourth one. Now we will make a circle with the help of this object. This is a cap of a jar. You can also take the same. Now I have taken this cup, place it here and make a circle. Last one, the smallest one. I hope you can see all the circles are of different shape, and now we will make different emojis in it. Like in this one, we will make a smiley. This one is smiley. This is a big smiley, right? And now the next one, what we will do in the next, we will draw a sad. What is the expression of this smiley? Shocking. This emoji is of shocking expression. And what we will do with this? This is angry. What is left? It's laughing. So I have done all the emojis. I have made all the expressions. Help your child to make the same. And after that, your child will color it like I have done for you. Your child will enjoy doing this. Help your child in making these circles of different sizes, as you can hold the objects while he or she is drawing the circles. After they are done with the circle, tell them to make different types of expressions inside of these circles, and I'm sure they will enjoy. After they are done with this, tell them to color it by the color of their own choice. Thank you.